Here we have the small vocal PA setup challenge, ED1 Pod 2. It looks like Louis is trying to land a helicopter. So Ruby, what is that you have in your hand?
Some kind of mic stand.
Any idea what type of mic stand or what you would use it for?
I think this one's probably for the acoustic guitar and that one's for the voice.
Yeah, definitely. So it's a boom stand, and because you can angle that, it makes it much easier to kind of be able to get into those areas. If it was just a straight stand, you wouldn't have as much capability, yeah? Mr. Hamish, what have you got there? What's that you're manhandling? Yeah, that's fine. I'd take that. And you've angled it down on the floor like that. Is there a particular reason for that? Usually we'd have some speaker
I
stands.
just did it because that group Millie did it on that one, so it was a bit uneven with it being upright.
Yeah.
So,
And with it being sort of wedge shaped, it will project the sound outward. So you better hear it. Yeah, cool. Louis, what is that lead you have? It's a kettle lead. What's it connecting to? What have you got it connected to?
The back of the PA.
And the other end? Oh, it looks like you've got an extension lead there going to the... It's not going anywhere just yet. So you've fathomed out how to connect the back, get the power to it. Yeah, cool. Lara, what have you got? Find me a lead and I'll quiz you on it. What about Malia? You've got lots of things in your hands there.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a mic. What sort of mic is it?
SMPJ.
Yeah, cool. Dynamic or condenser? Yep. And what's the lead you got?
It's with the PA system, but it has a jack head on the end.
There's jack one at end. What's on the other end? So, what does it connect to? No. What does it connect to?
The PA system.
To what's one of these called? A a speaker. It is a speak on. So the connector itself, it's quite easy to remember. If you think of it as speak on, by connecting it, you're actually activating the speaker. It's a good way of remembering the name. So there's a jack to speak on, yeah? Working as a team. Lara's got a lead now. Lara, what's the lead you got? A mic lead, did you say? Is it called anything else? XLR. We have the two ends there. Can you talk me through this? What do you connect to what?
The mic connects to one
Okay. Female end to the mic.
Yeah, and this end connects into the
Okay. Cool. Busy working as a team. Okay. Oh, got a stall in place and everything now. So would you argue that that boom stand is more versatile for getting the mic closer to you than it would be just a straight stand, yeah? Various ways of adjusting it. I always like to make sure it's nicely, it's not loose in any way, that's nicely kind of firm. Show me where the sound hole is. Perfect. So you're the second guys today setting up the PA with the volume up. What about just rolling right off those main, the master volumes? Then there's not going to be a whole load of screeching and feeding back or anything like that. So where have you plugged into?
Inputs 1 and 2.
Yeah, cool. So there's a few leads that I would say could be a little bit tidier, and wrapping them around the stand can be a good idea. And then you got these things here, which can kind of tidy the whole thing up. All right, using that little stand. Now that's looking neater. Blimey, it's even getting tuned up. It's incredible. Okay, so you guys operating the PA. What are you doing now?
Turn off the phantom.
Don't need phantom power. Do you want to instruct Malia what you'd like her to do? Sounds to me like there could be a dodgy lead. Do you want to talk into the mic? There's something very live over there somewhere. It's now 7 minutes 22.
Right, yeah. And then
1, 2, 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2. Sounds right. Turn the other side.
Okay, have you got any level coming out of the SM57?
1, 2.
Do you want to offer the acoustic guitar up and see if you get any sound out of that? Oh yes, I'm hearing that now. Have you got any effects on it at all? Maybe a little bit of reverb on the vocal and the acoustic? Cool. Mission accomplished. So, people, what I'd like you to do is break down the equipment, put it exactly back where you found it. But I'd like you to list all the individual components that you've come into contact with and you've connected, what you've connected to what. Work as a band, and we'll do that perhaps in the next session or the last sort of few minutes of this one, yeah? Cool. Break it all down. Thank you.